What's going on, everybody? I initially introduced you to my '01 Cherokee, the mouse, and shortly after it developed a misfire on cylinder 3 and on cylinder 1. I tried to replace the plugs, it didn't fix the issue. So, went and did some more research, discovered vacuum leaks, or a fuel issue could cause the misfire. Couldn't physically find any vacuum leaks on my truck, so I decided to go ahead and start inspecting the injectors. On the '01 Cherokees, I know they use a single hole injector. Case Suspension sells a 4-hole injector and a 12-hole injector that you can use to replace your setup, your stock ones. Big shout out to Rafi at Case Suspension for taking the time to answer my emails. I was hesitant about buying something other than OEM for the injectors. I looked at OEM replacements and I read that the 4-hole injectors seem to atomize fuel better and flow better. They were budget friendly at about $115 for the set. Big shout out to Rafi Case Suspension for helping me troubleshoot my misfire. What I ended up discovering by using a stethoscope and visual inspection was cylinder 1 injector sounded weaker than the rest of the injectors, and cylinder 3 had a hairline crack in it. I'll go ahead and show you what I got going on. So you guys can see these are actually remans. They're not brand new. Rafi at Case Suspension informed me that he buys remand units from a guy out of Missouri. They are OEM Ford. They're just not some Chinese knockoff or something. What I do recommend, though, when you do your injectors or order your injectors from wherever you get them from, make sure you get new injector connectors, because they like to break, they get old, they get brittle. Rafi sells them for $25 for the set of 6, where my local parts store wanted $20 for one connector. Once again, I'm working my way through Case Suspension's catalog kind of with the electronics. They've got a lot of good products. I normally don't like to shout out to one company so much, but he has helped me out tremendously, and I highly recommend him. The injectors went in fairly straightforward. It took me all of about 20 minutes. A lot of people say you have to take the whole rail off the vehicle. I left the main line connected. I just undid the 10mm bolts, pulled the injectors, cleaned the ports, and reinstalled them. Been running great since, and I'll share some still shots of the cracked injector after this. So, thanks for watching.